Sir, if possible, on a lighter note, could you narrate a funny incident from working in the hospital or you as a student when in med school?
Yeah, I can narrate, but these are not very good examples because my wife gets very upset when I talk about what I did in the medical college because she didn't want her children, my children, to follow my footsteps. I wasn't one of those very dedicated student. I was always mischievous. And I was a student union leader. I wanted to arrange a strike. And when the college did everything, I was studying in Kasturba Medical College. That's, according to me, that's the best medical college in the world. This is what I feel. But still, I wanted to go on a strike because I wanted my term as the association secretary to be remembered. That's the stupidest thing to do. Now, when I look back, I really feel like I feel very small. And anyway, I don't think I would like to talk about my past because it's not a good example for the youngsters to follow. Yeah. But all I want to tell you that the day I started touching patients, life was different because that is the best day of my life. When I started touching patients, talking to them, listening to them, trying to help them, then I realized that this is what I want to do in my life. Youngsters always want to get thrill out of doing something. And everyone has different things they want to do to get the thrill. And, touching people, helping them, that is what got me the thrill. Yeah. Thank you.